Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain Flutter app development using VS Code. To begin, you'll need to install the Flutter SDK, which includes the Dart programming language. Next, open VS Code and install the official Flutter and Dart extensions from the marketplace. Finally, ensure your development environment is set up for your target platforms, such as Android Studio for Android or Xcode for iOS, to enable full device and emulator support. This foundational setup takes only a few minutes. VS Code offers robust features for Flutter development. You can experience incredibly fast iteration cycles with hot reload and hot restart, allowing changes to appear almost instantly. The editor provides intelligent code completion and syntax highlighting, significantly boosting your coding speed and accuracy. Furthermore, its integrated debugger allows you to set breakpoints, inspect variables, and step through your code with ease, making troubleshooting a straightforward process for even complex applications. To further enhance your Flutter workflow, VS Code supports a wide array of extensions. You can find tools for advanced UI inspection, performance profiling, and comprehensive testing frameworks. Seamless integration with version control systems like Git is also a core strength, simplifying collaboration and code management. These powerful additions transform VS Code into a comprehensive development environment, allowing you to tackle complex projects with greater efficiency and control over your codebase. Choosing VS Code for Flutter development offers several compelling advantages. It's a lightweight and highly customizable editor, consuming minimal system resources while providing a rich feature set. The extensive marketplace boasts thousands of extensions, ensuring you can tailor your environment to your exact needs. Coupled with a vibrant community and consistent updates, VS Code provides a powerful, flexible, and future-proof platform for building high-quality Flutter applications across multiple platforms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.